This video gonna show you how to program a new key for BMW CAS4 Plus system when all key lost. First step, read the DNE ISN code. Query the basic information of the vehicle according to the VIN number. In this video, I'm gonna use F chassis, DNE model N20. Choose the option based on the model of the vehicle. Refer to the app help documents for more details. Check the required accessories. Connect N20 interface box. Short circuit can resist on the OBP ICP adapter to the CAN 2R joint side. Connect ACDP host OBP ICP adapter N20 interface board and DNE. Open Mini ACDP app. Choose BMW. Choose DNE ISM. Choose Bench Mode Rewrite DNE ISM. Select corresponding option according to the chassis model. Here I'm gonna choose chassis F. Then select option according to the DNE model. Choose N20 and EVD1724. Choose Rewrite ISM. You can take the screenshot to save the MMO information. When program CAS, you can manually type in the ISN code, or you can export the information. Please remember the ISN flow path. Click Save in the lower right corner. Click Quit. Read the ISN date finished. Second step, program CAS. You can click Help to check CAS4 Plus connection information. Remove the CAS4 Plus module of the vehicle. CAS4 Plus module is under the steering wheel. Check the required accessories. Install the copper pillar. Align D1 to D4 test points. Vertical press down the CAS4 interface board. Lock the board with PCB lock and copper pillar. As long as these 4 test points are aligned, then all the test points are aligned. Connect BDN adapter and the CAS4 Plus model. Then connect OBP ICP adapter and ACDP host. Choose CAS1 to 4. Choose CAS4, CAS4 Plus. Choose ICP mode. Select option based on the chip's model. In this video, I'm gonna choose the second one. Choose MMO. Choose Read CAS4 EEP row. Pin detection path. If the pin detection fails, please check and clean the test point. Check VIN number and the version information. Please note that the file name contains operation date and deflash date information. Read the EEPROM date finished. Choose Model 2 or key lost. Please connect BAV key adapter and put in the new key. Check the key information. Please select original CAS4 Plus date. Check VIN number and the version information. Choose any unoccupied key channel display as FF. Type in the ISN code or import the ISN file that saved in the previous step. Go back to the from.js flow path. Check the ISN code. Program key finished. Method 1. Put the CAS4 Plus module back to the vehicle. Put a new key on the emergency induction coil. Then press Start to synchronize the key. Method 2. You can write the CAS date back. Choose Write at EEP row. Please make sure that the ACDP host is properly connected to the CAS4 Plus module. Pin detection path. Load the new CAS4 Plus date. Put the CAS4 Plus module back to the vehicle. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.